When planning your estate, consider a few things. Who should inherit your money and in what proportion? So speaking with a client, and she has 2 children, 4 grandchildren. So she would like to provide a certain percentage for the grandchildren. That makes sense, right? You don't always have to do it that way. Sometimes people want to give it to the children 50-50. Sometimes they want to give to the children, let's say 30%, 30%. And with the other 40%, you can give it to the 4 grandchildren, 10% each. Might be a way to go. I had a conversation with another client that is in late 70s, 77, 78 years old, with adult children in the 50s and a series of grandchildren. Separate person with a different family distribution, different family plan with different needs. But this 77, 78-year-old client is healthy, strong, robust, going to live a long time. We plan for perhaps a death that's imminent, and then we need to think about a death that takes place far into the future. So if my 77-year-old client lives to 87 or even 97, let's go both scenarios. So the children that this person has that are in the 50s are now going to be in the 60s. Do they want to inherit a lot of money? Do they need to inherit a lot of money? Will it cause them? Everyone wants money, and everyone wants a lot of money. But will it cause issues if that person is, at the time, terminally ill or in Medicaid or in a certain factual situation, getting divorced, trying to figure out what to do with their life? Now, what if my 77-year-old client passes away in 20 years? Completely reasonable. Healthy people, right? Our life expectancy is close to 90, right? 88 years old or so. So if my client lives beyond the statistical norm, until 97, because she is healthy, well, then her children are in their 70s. And does a 70-year-old need to inherit all of the money? Maybe we want to give it to a grandchild instead. So that's a consideration. Think about it. All you people with money and health, right? What's another thing we give you? Health and wealth and happiness. That's the trifecta. So think about these things. And if you need assistance, frankbrunolaw.com. We could talk it out. Talking is very powerful. Makes a lot of sense.